Welcome. This is the basics of the Composer. The Composer was created for simplifying the process of creating interactive VR content. By connecting your 360 video and spatial or non-spatial audio content, you can create ways for your viewers to navigate your story. This video will cover the basics and terminology used to describe the Composer. The videos after this will help you with the creation process. When you make a narrative on Evo, you will build it on the canvas. This is the area in the Composer in which video and audio content can be added. There are a few options for navigating the canvas. One is the mini-map here, which allows you to drag across a virtual representation of the canvas. Another option here is zooming in and out. Down here you'll find your video tray, where you can upload and store your 360 video files. Next to that, you'll have an audio tray, where you can upload and store audio files. As you create work on the canvas, you'll want to save it up here under File. This will save the current version of your canvas build. Under File, you also have Staging, which makes the current version of the canvas accessible to an authenticated Evo application. The work you do on the canvas will be primarily based around nodes. A node is a containment structure for one video file along with a timeline below. You can add a node to the canvas by Control or right-clicking, or you can drag a video file directly from the tray. Each node's timeline is where you can add both exit flags and audio by Control-clicking and selecting your desired option. Both of these options create a location for an interaction by a viewer. An exit flag will be the location on a timeline where a new node can be loaded by a user, while audio will give a viewer the option to hear sound based on a hotspot or based on time. When you create a location for someone to look at to load a new video or audio file, we call this location a hotspot. This will be covered in the next video, the preview editor. The last thing to learn for the Composer is connecting nodes. Each node has a start flag and an exit flag to determine where a user starts a video and where they leave it. To connect one exit flag to another node's start flag, simply drag and drop from one circle to the next. Next, you'll be learning how to create interactions between nodes. Scroll down the page to see the next video on the preview editor.